This is the Raw Life Health Show. Raw Life.
Hello everybody, it's Paul Neeson with the Raw Life Health Show, and I wanted to give everybody an update. I'm hearing more and more people, well, not really more and more people, but I'm hearing about people that are leaving the vegan diet. I know several people on YouTube, and just because they have a popular channel, people say, well, you see there, the vegan diet doesn't work because all these people are leaving it. First of all, it's not all these people. I would say more people are becoming vegans today than ever before, thanks to the awareness and the facts of how detrimental it is to our health to eat animal products in the long run. Now, in the short run, eating animal products, there's other videos I have on this, is not going to produce not only sickness and disease, but it might produce a feeling of euphoria or something. And it's not because it has more nutrients and it's better for us. There's other reasons why that might be so, but it's not healthy to eat animal meat. And so, or animal products. So if you're on a vegan diet, and just because 2 or 3 popular vegans get off the vegan diet, that doesn't mean the vegan diet doesn't work. And it doesn't mean all people that are vegan are going back to eating non-vegan food. Another thing people tell me is they said, well, if you're a vegan, why do you need supplements? And if you watch my videos more, you would understand, even if you're not a vegan, you need supplements to make sure we're getting the nutrients we need. Well, doesn't a vegan diet have all the nutrients you need? See, the vegan diet doesn't work. Listen, the most nutrients you're going to get from a food is fresh fruit or vegetable grown in nature. You are going to get nutrition from anything. You can get nutrition from a piece of dirt on the ground, okay? But the more your body has to work to process that, to get those nutrients, and the more waste material that's left over is what creates disease. The simpler you make it for your body, the easier it is. So when you're eating fruits, especially high water content fruits like watermelon and mangoes, there's so many nutrients in there your body needs, especially if it's organic. And little waste the body has to do to get rid of it. Picture your body as a juicer. You put the mango in, you get a good amount of juice. Very simply, it gets rid of the waste. Bam, there you go. And now picture sticking a chicken wing or a piece of bread in a juicer and think about what happens. There's no life-giving liquid with nutrients in it that your body can use to thrive. Your body works really hard to get very little to almost nothing, and it creates this tremendous problem. Again, I'm going to say this, and it is not difficult. The simpler you make it and keep it for your body, the better your body is going to respond overall in the long run. It's not in the short run. Taking an energy drink or drinking a coffee or something like this, you want to feel great, do something like that. But you're asking for sickness later on. You know, I know a lot of people that, let's say people in sports. They might smoke cigarettes and eat a lot of animal products and just eat a terrible diet, but because they're spending so much time exercising or doing their physical activity, the effects aren't going to be felt immediately. But you're creating an environment for toxicity to grow, and this is what creates the problem. And we all have our choice to make and everything else, but here are some things to understand. Just because what you're doing has been working is not a reason to keep doing it when you find out what you're doing is bad for you. And that's a big problem we have today. People are doing something a long time, whether it's eating late, eating animal products, or just not doing things that are wise, and they've gotten away with it for this long. And they say, well, I've gotten away with it for this long, so I might as well keep doing it. And I'm going to say it again. Just because what you're doing is you're getting away with it, once you find out it's not healthy to do that, we need to stop doing that and not keep doing the same thing, thinking you're one of the exceptions. No, you're not the exception. You're one of the blessed people that has time to figure it out before you got sick. Don't keep doing the same thing if you find out it's bad for you. And I go to somebody's house and I say, do you have an apple? They give me an apple. I say, is that an organic apple? They go, no, it doesn't make a difference. I go, really? So I go back there the next time. I'll take a can of roach spray and spray that apple up. They say, what are you doing to my apple? I say, well, it doesn't make a difference. They say, I'm not going to eat that. I say, well, wash it off then. People just want to think they know what's best for them and think they know what's best, but you have to work very hard to make things bad for you. If you do very little, it's good for you. Worldwide fresh and organic fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. Don't eat late at night. Don't overeat when you do eat. Follow food combining the best you can. Have a positive attitude, positive outlook on everything. Understand that our greatest doctor is not some stranger in a white coat. No, it's our Creator who created our body and knows exactly how it works. And eat the foods He designed for food and don't overindulge. Get the proper amount of sleep we need so our body can do what it was naturally designed to do. That is heal. It's a self-healing machine. That's our body. It's not like my printer just ran out of ink. I had to go to the store and buy new ink and put it in. No, it's not like that. The body is self-healing when we don't interrupt with the process. Don't interrupt with the process, and this is what happens. People interrupt with the process, and they get sick, they get diseases, and they're just not doing the work they need to do. Disease starts right here in the mind, what you're thinking. It's going to control your actions, and your actions are going to get you in trouble if you're doing the wrong thing. So once we learn things that we can do better, do better. You're worth it. It's you. All right? As for me, I eat a raw vegan diet. I'm loving it. Feel amazing. And I'll take your questions and comments. Put them below the video. And thank you for watching. Have a blessed day.
This is the Raw Life Health Show. Raw Life. Brighten up your life.